Another young bird being weaned here. This is a lovely young bird, and this is from Pioneer D32, which is a son of Zwols Pigeons, really good breeder D32. So this is from a son of D32 Franz Zwols, when paired to Pioneer Romee girl, who is Jelle pigeon via Dean pallet, and got the best of Blackpool Romee in her. So again, we're crossing the Franz Zwols with the Jellemas. Likely this pigeon will go to Dubai one off race. Actually, the Romee girl hen was paired to a Snow Prince pigeon last year, and it's been really, one of the children of that pairing last year has been really well racing from France for Zandi. Raced the Channel twice in 2 weeks, and has done really well for him. So yeah, I've got high hopes for this. We'll see what happens, but yeah, probably going to be going to Dubai, this one. The endurance and grit and determination of the Jelle pigeons with the best of the Franz Zwols. We'll see what happens. Catch you soon.